Enhance comfort and safety during every shower. The best handheld shower head for seniors offers easy grip, adjustable spray settings, and lightweight design, ensuring a relaxing and independent bathing experience while reducing strain and improving accessibility for elderly users. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Moen Handheld Shower. The Moen Handheld Shower offers a luxurious and customizable showering experience designed to enhance comfort and convenience. With multiple settings including massage, relaxing massage, wide coverage, rinse, downpour, and intensify, it allows users to personalize their shower to suit any mood or need, whether you're unwinding after a long day or looking for an energizing rinse. The spot-resist nickel finish keeps the shower head looking clean and elegant by preventing fingerprints and water spots, which makes maintenance effortless. One of the standout features is its magnetic docking system that lets you detach and reattach the handheld shower head effortlessly, ensuring smooth usability for all ages. The flexible, kink-free metal hose adds extra reach and freedom of movement, ideal for cleaning the shower area or bathing pets. Moen's commitment to durability is evident in its tested performance, ensuring the product withstands daily wear and tear for years. Installation is quick and simple, as it connects directly to the existing shower arm without special tools or plumbing expertise. Whether you need a gentle rainfall or a powerful massage, the Moen Handheld Shower offers versatility, reliability, and timeless design, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both functionality and elegance in their bathroom. Number 2. Egretshower Handheld Shower. The Egretshower Handheld Shower is a smart and versatile shower system that caters to the entire family, including children and those with limited mobility. Its three-way shower head and low diverter make switching modes simple and accessible, while the 7.48-inch rain shower and 4.7-inch handheld unit deliver a spa-like experience. The shower heads can be used individually or together, providing an exceptional combination of comfort and coverage. Crafted from durable ABS material, this shower system is corrosion-resistant, lightweight, and designed to withstand heat and cold. Its self-cleaning nozzles, made of mineral-resistant silicone, prevent lime buildup and are easily maintained with a simple rub. The Egretshower also features an adjustable angle and height system, allowing users to position the water flow precisely where needed. A standout benefit is its powerful jet cleaning mode, which transforms the shower into a multi-purpose cleaning tool, perfect for washing tiles, bathtubs, and even pets. This thoughtful function eliminates the hassle of bathroom cleaning and makes pet grooming much more convenient. Installation is effortless with the included detailed instructions, requiring no professional help. Blending function, comfort, and cleanliness, the Egretshower Handheld Shower redefines convenience for modern homes and ensures an enjoyable shower every time. Number 3. Egretshower 5-foot Handheld Shower. The Egretshower 5-foot handheld shower stands out for its incredible versatility, offering an impressive 82 spray modes that transform every shower into a personalized spa experience. It features a three-way combo design with a 4.7-inch handheld shower and a 5.5-inch main shower head, each offering multiple settings, including rain, massage, misty, and sweep. The high-pressure design ensures consistent water flow even in low-pressure systems, maximizing comfort while conserving water. This model is not only about relaxation, it's also built for practicality. The Super Power Jet Cleaning Sprayer mode makes it easy to clean tiles, bathtubs, and even pets, eliminating the need for extra cleaning tools. Made from eco-friendly ABS material, the shower head is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its self-cleaning nozzles, crafted from mineral-resistant silicone, help prevent lime and calcium buildup, maintaining strong water flow with minimal maintenance. The Egretshower 5-foot handheld shower is designed for easy installation and fits most standard setups without special tools. Whether you're seeking a soothing rainfall, an invigorating massage, or an efficient cleaning jet, this shower system delivers performance, adaptability, and comfort for every member of the household. Number 4. Bright Ada Handheld Shower. The Bright Ada Handheld Shower is a premium option designed with accessibility, durability, and comfort in mind. Constructed from stainless steel, this showerhead slide bar ensures long-lasting performance while maintaining a sleek and modern look. The secure mount design offers stability and can support up to 250 pounds, meeting Ada specifications, which makes it suitable for elderly users or anyone needing additional support. With 5 distinct spray modes – massage, rain, misty, high speed, and pause – users can choose between soothing relaxation and powerful rinsing. The pause feature is particularly practical, reducing water flow to a trickle for shaving or lathering without affecting water temperature. The height-adjustable slider allows effortless repositioning of the handheld shower, making it convenient for children, pet washing, or seated showers. The ultra-flexible 69-inch hose adds extended reach, enabling greater control and flexibility during use. Its robust structure ensures safety and stability while providing a luxurious showering experience. Whether you're upgrading your bathroom for accessibility or simply want an adaptable, elegant shower system, the Bright Ada Handheld Shower delivers both functionality and peace of mind. Number 5. Egretshower Drill-Free Handheld Shower. The Egretshower Drill-Free Handheld Shower offers a perfect solution for renters or homeowners who want a hassle-free installation without compromising on performance. Its innovative 27.5-inch stainless steel bar mounts securely in minutes with no drilling or wall damage required. The adjustable slider and 5-foot stainless steel hose ensure flexibility and comfort, accommodating users of all heights. Featuring a large 5-inch shower face, the 5-function showerhead delivers a variety of experiences, including rain, massage, bubbling massage, and combination modes, all controlled by an easy-to-use click lever dial. Built with brushed nickel-plated ABS, the showerhead is lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion. Its self-cleaning silicone nozzles prevent clogging from lime and mineral deposits, ensuring long-term efficiency and smooth water flow. The adjustable swivel ball joint allows you to direct water exactly where you need it, making showers more enjoyable and practical. Backed by a satisfaction warranty, Egretshower ensures that every user enjoys reliable performance and a spa-like experience at home. For effortless installation, modern aesthetics, and functional versatility, the Egretshower Drill-Free Handheld Shower is a standout choice for anyone seeking both convenience and quality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.